Exploring K2, the world's second highest peak. K2, often referred to as the Savage Mountain, is a colossal wonder nestled in the Karakoram range of the Himalayas. This majestic peak has captured the imagination of adventurers, mountaineers, and explorers for decades. In this article, we embark on a thrilling journey to explore K2, the world's second highest peak. The history of K2. K2's history is as captivating as its towering presence. Discovered in the late 19th century by British surveyors, it was initially labeled K2 due to its position in the Karakoram range. K2's local name, Mount Godwin Austen, pays homage to the British surveyor Henry Godwin Austen. This history is essential in understanding the mountain's significance in the world of mountaineering. Geography and location. K2 stands at a breathtaking 28,251 feet above sea level. Situated on the border between Pakistan and China, it is part of a remote and rugged region that boasts some of the most challenging terrains on Earth. The geography surrounding K2 plays a vital role in its allure, making it an iconic destination for mountaineers. Climbing K2, challenges and triumphs. Preparations and logistics. Climbing K2 is not for the faint-hearted. Aspiring mountaineers must navigate treacherous glaciers, unpredictable weather, and oxygen-deprived altitudes. Proper preparations and logistics are paramount, often requiring extensive planning and acclimatization. Fatalities and rescues. K2 has earned its reputation as the Savage Mountain due to the numerous fatalities that have occurred during expeditions. The unforgiving terrain and harsh conditions have claimed the lives of many climbers. However, the mountain has also witnessed incredible acts of heroism, with daring rescues and incredible feats of human endurance. K2's impact on mountaineering. K2 has left an indelible mark on the world of mountaineering. It has long been a symbol of the pursuit of the impossible, inspiring adventurers to push their limits. The stories of triumph and tragedy on its slopes have enriched the history of mountaineering. Conservation efforts. Preserving the fragile ecosystem surrounding K2 is of utmost importance. Efforts are being made to reduce the environmental impact of mountaineering expeditions and protect the biodiversity of this remote region. In conclusion, exploring K2 is a journey that transcends the physical realm. It is a testament to human determination and the irresistible call of the wild. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in mountaineering, K2 will remain a symbol of courage, tenacity, and the unquenchable thirst for adventure.